was so young and immature. We had huge fights over nothing. Not in the bedroom.
Frasier.
Sorry.
So, Nana G gave you nice hugs?
Oh, big hugs.
No kidding.
We used to hug our brains out. In fact, the last time we saw each other, she wanted to have a little reunion hug, but alas, I was still married to Lilith and settling for my weekly hen.
So you hoping for another hug?
Well, the thought had crossed my mind, We used to have this wild attraction to each other. It was almost combustible. Truth be told, it's been a while since I, romped.
Next time you say something like that, cover my ears.
And who's this for?
Frasier. F-R-A.
Frasier. Oh, it's so good to see you again. And you look great. I've never seen such color in your cheeks.
Oh, this isn't Lilith.
Hey, Alice, how old are you?
I'm divorced now.
How? Hi.